Welcome to this tech security channel, and we of course are always at the forefront of security alerts and any security news available. I thought before we continue on the security side of news and what's happening with data breaches and all this scary stuff online, a little bit of tips and tricks here of anybody that would be caught in a security breach from a company. And this, you might say, well, I don't think this happens. I don't think this is going to happen to me. The companies I use and the services I use online are, safe and are good. And, well, we all think that until that company actually suffers a data breach. And a lot of them, even major companies, suffer data breaches. So what happens with data breach is that technically, most of the time, hackers have had access to enough personal information to take maybe your account and do what they want with it. In cases of a bank, it could be to steal money, make bank transfers, and so on. It could be simply losing access to some accounts like Facebook, for example. If it would be in a data breach, you could technically lose access to your Facebook, and there could be a lot of stuff in there, and it could put your friends also in danger because of phishing attempts. Every time you hear of a data breach or a website got hacked, if you are part of that service, if you are a member of that bank, that company, or whatever online service, the first reaction, the first thing you should do, and this should be the first thing that you will be doing before you continue on to learn more about it, is change your password. Because most of the times, the password is what they have access. And if that password is changed almost immediately, once they get to your account, well, they're screwed. They can't get access already because you have kind of gone faster than they actually did with the same problem. The other thing is to make sure that you set up two-factor authentication. This is very good because two-factor authentication with your phone, with an email, or with an app, there are authentication apps, is a second step that even if bad guys knew everything they needed to enter and log into your accounts, because there's this second verification with your phone that they don't have access to, they can't get access to your main accounts. So it really, really secures your accounts a lot more to use two-factor authentication. And of course, tip number 3, just be careful. Watch every activity. Watch everything. Make sure that you look at, is everything normal, and check frequently. And in case of doubts, if it's a bank, a company that you, credit card company, or whatever company that you might be dealing with, you might want to call them and ask them. And if it's an online service, well, just be wary of what the possibilities could be and be careful. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.